The sound of classical music, gospel, some good old reggae, and the dance to back it up. Plus, the crowning of a queen mixed with fashion and some old-time synthing will come back again. It was 7 nights of unforgettable performances, and it all took place at the Jamaica 55 Independence Village at the National Arena, July 29 to August 5, 2017. The first night was standing ovation, an evening of extraordinary talents. The performances lasted nearly 4 hours, with a little comedy in the mix, dances, and items from students of the Edna Manley College of the Visual and the Performing Arts.
People, are you ready? Oh, Lord.
That signaled the start of good old-time music, including the festival songs flashback segment, which was well received. And bringing the curtains down on day one was Romain Virgil.
Hallelujah. Everybody in this weird, just wave your hands tonight. Everybody in this room, just wave your hands tonight.
The spirit was high on day 2 in the National Arena with praise and worship. The occasion was to select a winner in the gospel song competition.
JCTC 2017 winner is Shauna Lee Steele.
In all its splendor.
The Queens took over on day 3.
In a sweet, sweet Jamaica, me happy make my one daughter happy, reach you with hand I don't mean soap water, hygienical batamina, revival, spiritual, churchical. Oh, what is Father God?
But in the end, Miss St. Elizabeth, Dana Lynn Swaby, reigned supreme, much to the approval of her supporters. The Queen also walked away with prizes for most poised, most culturally aware, and best performance. The colors for Jamaica 55 Independence were green, black, and gold with a touch of red. And who knows best how to put those colors together than our top designers?
Sweet Jamaica. Sweet Jamaica. Sweet Jamaica. Sweet Jamaica.
A fixture on our independence celebration is Mellow Go Round. Here, the little ones get a chance to show off huge talents.
Uno moves, get set, and him shoot. Yet once out of depth, as far as the bullet jump from the gun. He must it feel good cause him did a lead with the first 50 meter. Me couldn't hear him, but me just imagine myself. This is what I'm talking about, baby.
I'm afraid for going to class. If Pitney them are going to tease me, send me right in a crop tour.
And Mellow Go Round would not be complete without the maypole. The quadrille. And the dinky mini. The momentum picked up on day 6 with some wicked dance moves and DJ sound clash. The energy was intense as 6 local dance groups and 3 teams from Poland, France, and Australia battled for the championship trophy. Catch the highlights. In the end, the champion trophy and $500,000 went to exclusive dancers. The DJ sound clash between Chris Diamond and Copper Shot was just as entertaining.
Put up every hand in the sky. All who say peace in Jamaica, we have the anthem, sir. Let me start with it first. Ready?
Get ready to go.
Everybody get up on the seat. Make a party now.
The most forward went to Copper Shot to crown them the 2017 DJ Sound Clash champion. Kingston Reggae Night was a melting pot of great performances from veterans in the business.
When the road is called up yonder, then a song will be singing there.
Brown skin. I know for everybody some bleaching. You feel something from your do that to your skin. That means that you don't love yourself. Victory. When you're winning, it's a sweet story. And when you're not, then the war is bitter. Run free. Run free.
Take the love that God has given us, run free.
It was an awesome conclusion to the Independence Festival Village Week of activities, and the patrons did have a ball.